Homeowners should choose STONEfaçade because it has one of the highest return on investments of any remodel project you could do to your home. 153% return on investment for stone veneer.
It has also a rain screen, so that also protects your house from any moisture damage. And is also very aesthetically pleasing and has a unique feature on the corner that really makes it stand out compared to every product in the market.
STONEfaçade is a word of opportunity. It is opportunity to our customers to beautify their homes.
I think a homeowner should use STONEfaçade because it really adds character to their house. It really brings a different style, a unique style to the aesthetic and the curb appeal of the house.
One of my favorite features of STONEfaçade is the one-piece wraparound corner. It adds a much more realistic and authentic stone look, which allows a customer to create something that is uniquely yours.